That's fine.
Give you a good quick demo.
Okay, sure, man. Whatever you want to do. Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Anyway, you can tell me your name real quick and what you got here?
Yeah, let me get the window up. True Mercer TDH, I got 6 DD3512s on 3 PRV SQ 9000Xs.
Oh, you changed it up.
Yep, we the 1212s, I just didn't have enough airspace, so we shrunk down to the 6, and it is doing substantially better.
You like this better than your flat wall still?
Quite a bit. This one is definitely my favorite build.
Okay.
They're tuning the vocal amp though, so I can't turn it up really loud yet for long, but I can give you a good quick demo.
Okay, sure, man. Whatever you want to do. How did you wire the amps with a 6?
So he's got it on 3 of the 9Ks.
Yeah.
So it's just 2 subs per amp.
Okay.
Thanks for checking it out, man.
You've done a lot of work to this system.
Yeah, Cole has put in a lot of work.
Wow.
Once they get here in a little bit, he's going to tune that vocal amp. The problem is the doors are massively overpowered right now, so if I turn it up loud enough for the subs to get moving, I will blow the door speakers.
Yeah, you're going to have to turn something down. Yep.
Yeah.
And you got to still fine-tune this?
He wants to shrink it down a little bit, but not a whole lot.
Okay.
Just so I can play a little lower, but we've about got it where we want it.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
Will do.
So ballin', not a stop, watch shit don't never stop.
What's going on, everybody? I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we got of Drew's system he showcased at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2021 TDH show. I went ahead, if you haven't seen his previous video, he was talking about when he had 1212s. This was the thumbnail at the time. I recommend you checking that video out after this. This is the exact same vehicle where he had this system inside. That's right, 12 12-inch subs, and now he has only 6 12-inch subs. So we reduced his cone area in half, and it still got pretty much louder than it is now. So maybe he was trying to change it up each year. So go ahead and give him a like if you haven't already, as well as comment what you like about his system, and definitely recommend checking out his previous video after this demo. I really like the way these amplifiers are laid out at an angle. I'm sure they have a bracket underneath behind it that's mounted at an angle so everything can kind of visually see appealing. And the way the harnesses, the wiring, and RCAs, everything is clean. And then behind the amplifiers, you can see the nice layout of the battery bank. I didn't find out what size alternator or battery size he had, but it looks like he has multiple Group 31 AGMs from Full Throttle. And inside the subwoofer enclosure, this is a 4th order. There's actually a sealed section behind these subs as well, making it a 4th order. It's probably around a 2-to-1 ratio based off of the size of the box. I'm sure they built into the car to make this work. And his previous video where he had the 1212s, it was built into the vehicle as well. So they did a really good job fabricating it to fit this inside of here. So we're going to go ahead and get to the car audio bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way every day with YouTube, Jacob Viral. I hope you enjoy the demo.
Good quick demo.
Okay, sure, man. Whatever you want to do.
So ballin', not a stop, watch shit don't
That's, yeah. How did you wire the amps for the 6?
So he's got it on three
Okay.
of the 9Ks.
Yeah.
So it's just 2 subs per amp.
Okay. Awesome. Thanks for the demo, man.
Thanks for checking it out, man.
You've done a lot of work to this system.
Yeah, Cole has put in a lot of work.
Wow.
Once they get here in a little bit, he's going to tune that vocal amp, and once he gets it tuned, I can give you a longer demo.
Yeah, man, I'll come back. I'll be here tomorrow,
The problem is the doors are massively overpowered right now, so if I turn it up loud enough for the subs to get moving, I will blow the doors back.
Yeah, you're gonna have to turn something down. Yep.
Yeah.
And you gotta still fine tune this?
He wants to shrink it down a little bit, but not a whole lot,
Okay.
just so I can play a little lower, but we've about got it where we want it.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks, Drew. I'll get a demo a little bit for
Thanks
more.
for checking it out, man.
Yes, sir.
It's so ballin', not a stop. Why shit don't never stop.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.